noong panahon natin, because I was actively managing during this time, paano niyo alam na kayo'y sikat na?
Oh, well, una-una, lagi mong naririnig yung kanta mo sa radyo. No? Doon pa lang, wala nang kasing napakagandang high. Doon sa marinig mong tumutugtog kahit saan yung kanta mo. Napakasarap po talaga na
Nasaan ka nung una mong narinig sa radyo?
Nasa restaurant po at kakain. At,
you don't forget things like this.
No. You just never forget it.
Nasaan ka?
Well, I was just walking and a janitor was singing my song. Habang nagmamap. And I remember it like yesterday. You're right. You will not forget these things.
Oo, hindi mo talaga malilimutan yung mga pagkakataong ganito. At saka, di ba, you can't even express that feeling?
Ay, there's nothing like it, Tito Boy. Alam mo, generation namin, of course, gusto natin ng hanap buhay, but yung marinig lang namin, sarili namin sa radyo, that was it, you know? That's why we just signed contracts before.
Naalala ko, nagre-radio tour, nagmo-mall tour.
You better believe it talaga, apari to hulo.
At saka binibili kasi yung physical na album di ba?
Halos doon na kami natutulog minsan sa kotse kasi dikit-dikit yung mga shows namin.
Tama po yun.
And there was a time na sinabi ko, anong oras yung show? Sabi nila, 4 o'clock po na umaga. May tao pa ng ganong oras? Oo, dahil alam nilang darating kayo. Kaya people will be waiting.
Wow.
So,
kaya Tito Boy, yung fulfillment is talagang sobra. Kasi talagang, we cannot, and it's talagang napakasama naman i-compare the following generations.
Of course.
No? That's unfair.
Yeah.
But it's really sweet kasi talagang analog yung approach po namin. Talagang pinaghirapan namin. Nandiligaw kami sa Odyssey record bars. O kamo sa sales ko dyan, patingin nun siya.
Tama.
Itulak natin. Tatayo ako dito sa oras, okay lang sa inyo. And we really did it, you know?
Pati sa mga radyo, pagka birthday nung DJ, pupuntahan pa namin yun. Nadadala namin ng mga regalo yun. Pagkain, para